Hello friends, I'm Priya Patel from Yevla and I've completed my civil engineering from Sanjeevani College of Institute, Kopergaon in the year 2018 itself. After completion of my education and civil engineering, I was confused what to do now. And I was in a search of a training institute for my designing courses. Then one of my friends suggested me about EduCADD Center Pune, and I visited here, and I've got so many things, and here is the end of my search. And I joined EduCADD Center, and I've joined two courses here, Revit and StatPro, and I got so many things, whatever I wanted I got here. And also all my doubts get cleared from here, and the teaching staff is so good. They never teach you as like they are teachers, they treat you as like they are friends, and the environment is so friendly. You will not have any hesitations to ask any doubts. Also they took extra lectures, or we can call it as revision lectures on the weekends, so that we can cover all our doubts and all the missed lectures, or whatever we missed in the weekdays. Also, what say, I got so much good experience learning here, and I would like to tell you, all of you, that do visit EduCADD Center Deccan Pune, so that you will get so many things, whatever you want in the field of modeling and designing here, for sure.